Sahih Al-Bukhari 3531, narrated Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Once Hassan bin Sabit radiyallahu ta'ala anhu asked the permission of the Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam to lampoon, i.e. compose satirical poetry defaming the infidels. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What about the fact that I have common descent with them?" Hassan radiallahu ta'ala anhu replied, "I shall take you out of them as a hair is taken out of doff." Narrated Urwa radiallahu ta'ala anha, I started abusing Hassan in front of Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha, whereupon she said, "Don't abuse him, for he used to defend the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam with his poetry." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3532, narrated Jabir bin Mut'im radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I have 5 names. I am Muhammad and Ahmad. I am Al-Mahi, through whom Allah will eliminate infidelity. I am Al-Hashir, who will be the first to be resurrected, the people being resurrected thereafter, and I am also Al-Aqib, i.e. there will be no prophet after me." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3533, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Doesn't it astonish you how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protects me from the Quraysh abusing and cursing? They abused Muzammam and cursed Muzammam, while I am Muhammad and not Muzammam." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3534, narrated Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "My simulated in comparison with the other prophets is that of a man who has built a house completely and excellently, except for a place of one brick. When the people enter a house, they admire its beauty and say, 'But for the place of this brick, how splendid the house will be.'" Sahih Al-Bukhari 3535, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "My simulated in comparison with the other prophets before me is that of a man who has built a house nicely and beautifully, except for a place of one brick in a corner. The people go about it and wonder at its beauty, but say, 'Would that this brick be put in its place.'"